Ever felt that burning sensation creeping up your throat after a meal? That's acid reflux. If you're dealing with it regularly, you're not alone. But here's the shocking part. The medications you're taking to control it might actually be making things worse in the long run. Stay with me because in this video from Health Equals Wellness, we're diving deep into the hidden dangers of acid reflux meds and the best natural remedies to fix the root cause. Chapter 1. What is acid reflux and why it happens? Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, happens when stomach acid flows back into your esophagus. This leads to burning sensations, bloating, regurgitation, and even trouble swallowing. But why does this happen? The root causes of acid reflux are often linked to a combination of lifestyle factors, diet, and underlying medical conditions. The biggest culprits? Processed foods, stress, overeating, and even how you sleep. But here's something most doctors don't tell you. Ironically, low stomach acid, not high stomach acid, is often the real problem. Low stomach acid or hypochlorhydria can happen when digestion is weak, and the stomach compensates by producing gas, which pushes acid upwards. Acid reflux can also be caused by a weak lower esophageal sphincter, or LES. The LES is a muscle that acts as a valve between the esophagus and the stomach. If it weakens or relaxes inappropriately, stomach acid can flow back into the esophagus, causing irritation and discomfort. Certain foods weaken the LES. These include spicy foods, fried and fatty foods, citrus fruits, chocolate, coffee and carbonated drinks, alcohol and tomato-based products. Chapter 2. The hidden dangers of acid reflux medications. If you suffer from acid reflux, you've probably been prescribed PPIs, proton pump inhibitors, or antacids like omeprazole or Nexium. These drugs provide temporary relief, but what if I told you they could actually be harming your body in the long run? Here's how. 1. Nutrient deficiency. PPIs block acid production, but stomach acid is crucial for absorbing nutrients like calcium, iron, magnesium, and B12. Deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to fatigue, nerve damage, and memory problems. Low levels of magnesium can cause muscle cramps, irregular heartbeat, and weakness. Reduced absorption of calcium can lead to osteoporosis and fatigue. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, causing weakness and dizziness. 2. Increased infection risk. With lower stomach acid, your gut is defenseless against bacteria like Helicobacter pylori infection, which can lead to gut infections, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, and even stomach cancer. 3. Rebound acid hypersecretion. Worse acid reflux after stopping. When you stop taking PPIs, your body overproduces stomach acid, making reflux worse than before. This creates dependency, leading doctors to prescribe more medications and for people to stay on the medication long term. 4. Kidney disease and failure. Studies have linked long-term PPI use to chronic kidney disease and even kidney failure. This may be due to inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. 5. Heart attack and stroke risk. PPIs have been linked to an increased risk of heart attacks and strokes. This may be due to reduced nitric oxide production, which helps blood vessels relax. 6. Masking underlying health issues. Medications can hide symptoms of serious conditions like esophageal cancer, ulcers, and gastritis, delaying diagnosis and treatment. Chapter 3. Natural remedies to fix acid reflux. Instead of just masking symptoms, let's address the root cause of acid reflux. Here are 5 natural remedies that actually work. 1. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. The acid paradox. If your acid reflux is due to low stomach acid, a simple fix is drinking 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals. This helps digestion, prevents food from fermenting in your stomach, and helps restore proper stomach acidity. 2. Aloe vera juice, nature's soothing agent. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory and soothing for the digestive tract, and can soothe an irritated esophagus. Drink 1/4 cup of pure aloe vera juice, without added sugars, before meals to reduce an irritated esophagus. This can reduce inflammation and supports digestion. 3. Chew your food and eat smaller meals. Rushing through meals and overeating overloads your stomach. Chewing food properly and eating smaller meals reduces pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter, LES, which prevents acid from creeping up. 4. Fix your sleeping position. Sleeping on your left side helps keep the stomach lower than the esophagus, preventing acid from flowing back up. Studies show that left side sleeping significantly reduces reflux symptoms compared to sleeping on the right side or back. Right side sleeping can worsen reflux because it relaxes the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, allowing acid to escape. When sleeping flat on your back, gravity won't help keep stomach acid down, increasing the risk of nighttime reflux. Sleeping on your stomach puts pressure on the stomach, pushing acid upward. Use a wedge pillow or elevate the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches to prevent acid from creeping up. This uses gravity to keep acid down and reduces nighttime heartburn. Chapter number 4. Chewing gum. Chew sugar-free gum, preferably with xylitol, for 20-30 minutes after meals. This helps to wash acid back into the stomach. When you chew gum, your saliva flow increases, which helps neutralize stomach acid, returning it back down into the stomach. Saliva contains bicarbonate, a natural antacid that helps buffer stomach acid. Chewing gum stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which can help speed up digestion and prevent excess acid. Chapter 5. Take control of your gut health. Here's how. 1. Eat a gut-friendly diet. Increase fiber. Load up on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes to feed good bacteria. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and miso introduce beneficial probiotics. Avoid ultra-processed foods. Sugar, artificial sweeteners, and additives disrupt the microbiome. 2. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress damages gut bacteria and weakens digestion. Try meditation, deep breathing, exercise, or spending time in nature to reduce stress. 3. Stay hydrated. Water aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut lining. Aim for 8+ glasses of water daily, especially if consuming fiber-rich foods. 4. Get quality sleep. Poor sleep throws off gut bacteria balance, leading to digestive issues. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule and aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. 5. Exercise regularly. Movement improves gut motility and helps beneficial bacteria thrive. Try activities like walking, yoga, or strength training to keep digestion healthy. 6. Limit antibiotics and medications. Overuse of antibiotics kills good bacteria, harming gut diversity. If needed, take probiotics after antibiotics to restore gut flora. 7. Listen to your gut. Pay attention to bloating, gas, constipation, or food intolerances. Keep a food journal to identify problem foods. In summary, if you want long-term relief from acid reflux, focus on healing your gut naturally instead of relying on risky medications. Which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips from Health Equals Wellness.